Let's continue with the sample upload process, which is a crucial step after job authorization. On the job information page, users will find an option to upload samples for an authorized job. Clicking on Upload Samples opens a module window titled Upload Samples for a Specific Job Number. In this module, users see several options. Choose Sample Files, input field with a Browse button, a Download Samples template link, and Upload and Cancel buttons. The process of uploading samples is as follows. Click Download Samples template and get the correct Excel template. Open the downloaded template in Excel. In a separate Excel file, users should have their sample data ready. Copy the sample data from the user's Excel file, excluding the headers. Paste this data into the downloaded template. Leave the job and SSN columns empty, as this will be auto-generated based on the regional lab details that were keyed in during the creation of a regional lab. Otherwise, the upload will fail. Do not modify any column name on the downloaded template. Otherwise, the upload will also fail. But if a job is a non-LDSF, you can include the additional columns to the template file. If any field doesn't have a value, leave it blank in the template. Save the completed template, and in the Upload module, click Browse and select the field template file. Click Upload to submit the samples to the system. After a successful upload, users can click View Samples to see a list of all uploaded samples for the job. On the Samples List page, users have several options available through the Actions drop-down menu, and these are Export, which allows users to download the sample data, useful for record keeping or further analysis. Print barcodes, which generates printable barcodes for each sample, essential for sample tracking and management. Print QR codes, which generates QR codes for each sample and can be used for quick scanning. To print barcodes or QR codes, make sure to click on the Actions drop-down and select the necessary option as needed. This sample upload and management process ensures that all samples are properly recorded, easily identifiable, and traceable throughout the lab workflow.